.dbf stands for dBASE file. It was the standard in the 80s. Excel can still open it, but you have to be very careful not to break the strict column headers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it safely. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the DBF file. I'll reveal it at the end. For compatibility, the DBF adheres strictly to the defined database file parameters. The data composition mandates the use of database file. The DBF a database file, is an industry-standard file format for storing structured data tables, databases. It is primarily associated with dBASE but is widely supported by applications like Microsoft Excel. It functions as a simple relational table containing records and fields. The format originated with dBASE, and its structure is governed by a defined header that specifies the number of records and field types. Its integrity relies on this simple header. While Microsoft Excel can read it, the file is highly susceptible to corruption if the header information is damaged. The proper file association links DBF directly to the Microsoft Access solution by Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows provides limited visibility into structured data, requiring a database program for full access. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the DBF file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Access is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your DBF file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, use Spreadsheet Database Program. Open the file using Microsoft Excel, Data, from text.csv, LibreOffice Calc, or a dedicated database program like dBASE or FoxPro. Next, check for corruption. Open the file using a DBF viewer, John's repair utility, to check the header and record structure for corruption. Finally, check for memo files. If the file is missing data, ensure the accompanying .dbt memo file is present in the same directory, as it stores large data fields. If earlier tools came up short, it's clear this file needs a final authorized decryption option. The professional method is the best way to attempt opening a difficult DBF file. When a file absolutely must be opened, turn to File Magic. It provides an invaluable feature, accessing content instantly, regardless of the file's extension or header status. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Share this guide with a friend who needs the fix. And as always, please like and subscribe. Signing off for now.